Bad news. You can't move into your dream home. You're ready to sell your current home, and it turns out you've been the victim of fraud. A fraudster pretended to be you and has already sold your home to a poor, unsuspecting family, thinking they were getting a great deal on their new forever home. Now your home is tied up in a legal battle, trying to show you still own this house, and that previous sale was fraud. Hi, I'm Caitlin with Legacy Title Agency here in Michigan, and today we're talking about something that may not sound exciting at first, but it's one of the most important parts of keeping your closing safe. That's identity verification. When you're buying or selling real estate, large sums of money are on the line. Unfortunately, this makes real estate transactions a huge target for fraudsters. And it's way more common than you would think. Some common fraud schemes involve criminals who are pretending to be the seller of a property they don't own. They've got flawless IDs and spoofed communications, and they successfully trick notaries and title companies so they can sell your home. Or they can pose as a buyer to access sensitive information for the true buyer or defraud lenders into lending them even more money. Or another common scheme is they can trick buyers into wiring their money meant for the closing instead to an account held by the fraudster. And the scary part is these scams are becoming more sophisticated every year, especially with Photoshop and AI. So, what do we do to prevent this? One easy solution is identity verification. How does this work? Title companies who follow best practices, like us at Legacy Title, use secure third-party vendors to perform identity verifications. Here's how that goes. You'll receive a secure link from our verification partner via email and text message. You create an account on that secure verification portal, inputting your information into that portal. Then the software will ask you to take a live picture of your photo ID and take a quick live selfie. Usually these photos have to be taken live in the software. You can't upload a photo. Their concern is that uploaded photos could be tampered with, and that's what we're trying to avoid. Lastly, the system cross-checks your identity with government databases to confirm you are who you say you are. It's fast, easy, and incredibly effective at stopping fraud before it starts. We always recommend completing your ID verification as early in the transaction as possible in case there are any technical issues or even human errors like forgetting your license expired, or not being great at taking selfies. So, why third-party verification is better? Some people wonder, why not just email or show an ID at closing? Well, email can be hacked, and paperwork and photos can be edited and forged. Using a trusted third-party vendor ensures advanced fraud detection tools are in place by a neutral party. Sensitive data is encrypted and secure, and we can make sure verification happens early in the process, not last minute. It adds a layer of protection for both the buyers and the sellers and is much more likely to detect sophisticated fakes created by AI. At Legacy Title Agency, we take your security seriously. By partnering with trusted identity verification vendors, we protect our clients from fraud, ensure that your closing is secure, and provide peace of mind in one of life's biggest financial transactions. Because to us, closing isn't just about signing papers, it's about protecting your investment and your future. So if you're buying or selling real estate in Michigan, don't take chances with your security. Work with a title company that makes fraud prevention a top priority. Call us at 248-913-2266 or visit legacyclosings.com. At Legacy Title Agency, we don't just close deals, we protect people.